But what I stress to people is if you go the litigation model, each party gets an attorney, a coach, if you will, someone that advises them, gives them information, and advocates for that person. Each person has a lawyer. Each person goes to the lawyer generally first before there's any kind of productive conversation between the parties. That takes place usually when people are hurt, they're angry, they're in that model of you indicated, something's just happened and they're upset about it. In mediation, usually the temperatures come down a bit. There's still two people that are upset with each other, obviously. They're getting divorced, but not every divorce has to be contentious. Not every divorce has to be hostile. And our role, although I'm an attorney, I'm not the attorney for either of the parties. And I make that very clear to them. I become a legal information booth, if you will. I give the law as it applies to one spouse. I give the law as it applies to the other spouse. We have laws. We still have to follow laws. And there's statutes and protocols from the court about the method and manner of getting divorced. As a lawyer, I do not advocate for one or the other. As a lawyer in the process, though, I give each person both sides of the law and answer their questions and get to the bottom of it. All in the presence of Jane, in the presence of me, and we put all the facts on the table. Many of those facts come from emotion, but eventually we want it to be coming from a system or an approach of fairness, believe it or not, some level of kindness. Because two people that get married, even though they're getting divorced, their paths will still cross, whether it's in raising their children or distributing their assets. Many times people still run businesses together or still share an asset together. Divorce justice system fix everything, so everything's immediately resolved. So that's what we try and do. We try and foster that so it's done in a setting of how can we get to the middle and do this what's best for the two of us.